This is a 5-pack of crevice cleaning brushes. I was sent these to review for free, although if you wanted to purchase them, they cost you about $6. They haven't paid me for my review, and my opinions remain my own. So these are basically very thin brushes that can get down into a crevice or follow along a crevice. They're relatively hard bristled, so this is, if you had a toothbrush, this would be too hard for a toothbrush. So they have a decent amount of scrubbing power here. I got these specifically for some grout tile lines, but you can also use them between stoves and countertops or any place you have a small crevice you're looking to clean out. So yeah, these guys do a good job on grout lines.